Getting rid of heartburn, simple tips and tricks. Finding out that you have acid reflux problems can be something that really affects your daily life. It can be hard to concentrate on all of your responsibilities, much less have any fun. In order to fight the fight against acid reflux, you need to know the available solutions, so continue watching to find out more about eradicating this condition. Try to lose some weight. If you are overweight, especially around your abdomen, it will put increased pressure on your stomach. This can contribute to an increase in acid reflux symptoms. Simply losing a couple of pounds will reduce the pressure on your stomach, which in turn will reduce acid reflux. Never skip a meal if you have acid reflux disease. When you skip even one meal, you are not putting anything into your stomach, allowing acid to intensify. If you do not feel hungry during a meal time, you could always eat a little something, like a banana or apple. Fatty foods no more. Fried chicken, pizza, chicken wings and potato chips are the enemy of the GERD sufferer. These foods cause your sphincter to relax, allowing the contents of your stomach, acid and all, to rise back up into your esophagus. Go for meals full of vegetables and lean protein instead. When you eat high-fat foods like fried chicken, your stomach empties very slowly. This allows it to become distended and your esophagus may fill up with acid. Choose healthier foods like lean proteins or beans to avoid this situation, and you should be able to control your acid reflux like a pro. Do you feel better about dealing with your acid reflux? There is no need to keep battling against this problem, so you have to take the advice you've been given into serious consideration. You can find what works for you, and you can say goodbye to this problem for the rest of your life. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.